Today I'm going to be showing my third order from Amazon haul, and I don't mean an Amazon haul, I mean the Amazon haul. Amazon haul is Amazon's new low price storefront. It is made to compete with Shein and Temu, and so everything on there is under $20. The catch for everything being under $20 is that there is really your Prime benefits do not count. So you get no free shipping unless you spend $25, and the shipping time takes a really long time. Now, I have ordered 3 times and my shipping has varied each time. My first order took about a week to get here. My second order took 4 weeks to get here, and this order took a week and a half. So it really does vary. This one, they told me wasn't going to be here till January 3rd, and I ended up getting it on the 28th. So really, you just do not know. So now that I've kind of talked about Amazon haul, let's see what I got. So this is the Christmas edition. I work in a school and I need a lot of Christmas t-shirts because we have a Christmas day every day. It's a different theme for Christmas, and so we have to dress up. And I did not have enough this year. I've worked in the school for 12 years, but for some reason the last 2 years we've been having these Christmas themed days every day. All right, so I have in here, there are 5 different Christmas sweatshirts and t-shirts. They were all 65% off the Amazon haul price, and it cost me $20.11. That's not a bad deal. I mean, even if one of them I like, it's worth the price. All right, this first one I really liked, and it is actually a short sleeve t-shirt. It's super cute. I like the design, and I think it would really look cute under like a cardigan or a flannel. Yeah, isn't that cute? And the fabric is pretty nice. So yeah, that's my first shirt. Second one, I went with mostly greens and cream. I don't know, I didn't like any of the red. This is also a long sleeve t-shirt or sweatshirt. Let's see. And it's pretty basic. It just says, Merry Christmas. I mean, this is a really soft fabric. It's well sewn. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm happy with that. All right, next, let's pick one that's not green. We have this one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, this is soft. I got a 2XL. Ooh, that's gonna be too big, but okay. That is this. It is like a stretchy long sleeve t-shirt, where that other one was more of a thin sweatshirt material. I've noticed from some of the Amazon haul products I've bought, there's like this shiny, I don't know, whatever they use for iron-on. But once I washed them, it was fine. It wasn't quite as shiny. So that just must be part of the production. But yeah, I think that's really cute too. This is another green one. It doesn't want to open. Fine. It's going to be stingy. This one's cute, and it's more like a normal iron-on. But this is like a t-shirt material too. It's super stretchy. I got 2XL in this too. I must have been worried they were going to be too small. But yeah, that's super cute. And then my last one is also a tan or cream colored shirt. And it's that same stretchy t-shirt like material, and it just says Merry and Bright. And it's not that shiny iron-on, so that's kind of cool. Seems well sewn. Now, one thing I have learned that I mentioned in my first video is there were no reviews, but since I have done 3 now, I have seen some reviews. So you are allowed to review products on Amazon haul. I also learned that things sell out fast, so if there is something you're wanting, you should buy it now. But yeah, this is my first impressions, my first 3 impressions. You can watch all the videos. And I'm pretty happy with my purchases from Amazon haul. It may seem crazy to have 5 Christmas t-shirts, but I will be wearing them all next Christmas because today is New Year. So happy New Year. Subscribe for more.